Welcome, dear friends, to Peace on Earth. Let me ask you a heartfelt question. What do you hold on to when life suddenly shakes you? When the ground beneath feels unstable? When your thoughts run wild? When your heart feels overwhelmed? In moments like these, Jesus seems to stay distant. But, in fact, He speaks. He comes close. He calms storms. Today, let Him speak to your heart. Stay with this message. Jesus may tell you exactly what you need to hear. Thank you.
My beloved child, I see your heart, even the parts you hide from the world. I know the tears you wipe away quietly, discreetly. The tightness that grips your chest. The thoughts that steal your sleep. The fear that whispers you won't make it. When something unexpected happens, you feel shaken. Your mind goes blank. Discouragement creeps in. Fear, anxiety, and despair rise within you despite your religious formation. But listen to me closely, my dear. I am here. I am with you. I am your peace. My peace I give you. My dear child, when storms strike, do not let fear rule your life. Let your faith take the lead over fear. Remember Peter, my dear disciple. He stepped out of the boat in faith. For a moment, he walked on water because his eyes were on me. But when fear took over, at the sight of the strong wind, he began to sink. Kindly note this point. He did not waste time blaming himself or others. He did not let despair consume him. See how he reacted at the face of the trial. He cried out, "Lord, save me." And instantly, I reached out my hand. I lifted him. I steadied him. I brought him close. This, my child, is faith. Not a life without storms, but a heart that calls my name in the middle of them. The trials you face are not meant to destroy you. They strengthen you. Each difficulty shapes you into a resilient disciple. You will face storms that seem senseless, suffering that feels endless, but remember, I am with you. What storm are you facing today? A diagnosis? A wounded relationship? Financial strain? Something you cannot even speak out loud. When overwhelmed with fear, place your hand over your heart. Then whisper, gently, with firm faith, "Jesus, I trust you. Let my peace enter you, like sunlight breaking through clouds. Remember my promise. Fear not, for I am with you. Even in the valley of the shadow of death, my rod and my staff comfort you." I never leave your side. Faith gives you the courage to press forward through conflicts, unemployment, illness, misfortune, or misunderstanding. And when the storm passes, you will emerge stronger, braver, and steadier in faith. You are precious to me. You are chosen. You are deeply loved. With faith, you will walk through raging seas, as though on dry ground. Mountains will move. Obstacles will yield. So, when fear rises, my child, fear not, call out my name, as Peter did. Trust me. Keep trusting. I will rescue you. I will steady you. I will fill you with my peace. Tonight, take one fear, just one, my dear. Name it clearly. Then whisper, gently, with firm faith, Jesus, I trust you. Let faith rise inside you. Let peace return, like a gentle breeze. I will show you new ways, new strength, new courage. My dear child, you are never alone. I walk beside you. I go before you. I strengthen you. My love envelopes you. Let your faith overcome any fear. Every fear. With faith on your guard, no fear will ever prevail over you. Go now in peace, in courage, and in faith. I am with you, always.
If this message brought peace to your heart, praise God. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Peace on Earth. Share this video with someone who feels overwhelmed today. Keep in mind, Jesus is near you, on your side, beside you. Faith is stronger than fear. Thank you, and may God's peace guard your heart, always.